Welcome to Ate Joy 721.
_EZ_Aerobatics. Again, this is Kyle Fowler with Go Easy Aerobatics, and he wants you to hashtag and get it started the backwards airplane. Now this is a Burt Rutan with the Delta Wind Canard and is highly efficient with an impressive range of 1,000 nautical miles, cruising at 175 knots or 201 miles per hour. Kyle would like to say a special thank you to his sponsors, Art Craft Paintings, for the beautiful design on the Long Easy, as well as Aerosport Power for powering the Long Easy with the Lycoming IO 360. One of the things you'll notice when he comes back in, if you didn't see it before, the nose of the airplane, the front, you see the dart right there. The wheel is tucked up inside, and when he lands and comes in, he will get out of the airplane and he will tuck the nose and put the airplane down on the ground on its nose. The reason for that is because the engine is in the back, and the pilot literally needs to be in the plane in order to keep it level. He said it's like getting on a horse. Coming over the top, it looks like he is completing a big loop in the sky. Take a look at the perfect circle, a giant loop in the Long Easy. In 2015, Kyle first purchased.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button.